Uned 15, Fideo 2. Ydy'r yn. As you are reading a story to the children, it's natural for you to be also discussing what they can see on the pages, and to gauge their ideas and opinions on the characters and events they are learning about. To engage with the pupils and elicit their response, you could ask a question following this pattern. Ydy'r yn. The noun, the item you're discussing, goes in the first gap, and the adjective, the describing word, goes in the second. Ydy'r stori'n dda? Is the story good? Ydy'r stori'n gyffrous? Is the story exciting? Ydy'r stori'n ddiddorol? Is the story interesting? Ydy'r stori'n ddiflas? Is the story boring? The answer to any question starting with ydy is, as we know, ydy or nac ydy. You could use this pattern to ask about anything. In the context of reading a story, however, these words would be useful. Cymeriadau, characters. Lluniau, pictures. Lliwiau, colours. And as these three items are plural, meaning there are more than one of them, your answer to each question would be ydyn, yes they are, or nac ydyn, no they aren't. Ydy'r cymeriadau'n hapus? Are the characters happy? Ydy'r cymeriadau'n drist? Are the characters sad? Ydy'r lluniau'n lliwgar? Are the pictures colourful? Ydy'r lluniau'n hwyl? Are the pictures fun? Ydy'r lliwiau'n bert? Are the colours pretty? Try this new question pattern out when you next read a story in the school setting, and come back to this video to practice your skills when you need to. Pob lwc!